we are going to discuss about the Upapada Lagan. The Hindi version of this video in depth is already present inside the playlist section. So today we will see how to determine Upapada Lagan, means how to calculate your Upapada Lagan and what are the exceptions. There are exceptions which we have to apply while having the Upapada Lagan in front of you. So first of all, note down what is the benefits of Upapada Lagan. Every single digit, every single details of your spouse can be taken from Upapada Lagan, like her background, her career, or his or her profession, his or her wealth and social status, his ethics, his values, whether the marriage will be harmonious or not. So these all the things you can determine from this video. So watch this video till end. If you need any consultation, you download Jyotishgher Veda app or you can check out our websites. Now first of all, the entire focus will be in your 12th house, that is your D1 chart. Just take your D1 chart, whatever Lagna you have. Although the modern software have these facilities already ready made, but those who want to calculate, those who want to learn, then this video is for that. So Upapada Lagna is a technique of determining, as I told you, that everything. So count places where your 12th house lord is placed. Note down who is your 12th house lord and then count where it is placed in your chart. So count places where your 12th lord is placed from the 12th house in your D1 chart. Same number of places, the first step done. Same number of places from the 12th lord's position will provide you Upapada Lagna. For example, suppose you are of Gemini ascendant. So number 3 is written here, number 4 is written here, number 2 is written here. 5, 6 like way the chart will be your. Now here is 2. 2 means Taurus, means Venus. Just check your chart where is Venus is placed. Suppose this Venus is placed in this house. Venus is placed in your 3rd house. Now what I have mentioned, count the places. So 1, 2, 3. So Venus is 3 position ahead from the 12th house. Venus is placed 12th position ahead from the 12th house. Now from that 3rd position, from this position, move on for the 3 position. 1, 2, 3. So the new chart will be like this. So your Upapada Lagna will be of Virgo. So number 6 is written, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your Upapada Lagan. And how the planet is present in this chart, just place the number corresponding to the Upapada Lagan. That's the simple way. So in this way you have your Upapada Lagna. So 12th house, the position count from the 12th house, the number count coming in your hand, just move from that position furthermore, and the Lagna you have your Upapada Lagan. Now there are exceptions. This is a simple procedure, no need to worry. I am also mentioning here in the same video what is the exceptions while we analyze for the Upapada Lagan. If, please note down, if the lord of 12th house is sitting in 12th house itself, suppose Venus is placed here itself. So if the lord of 12th house sitting in 12th house only in your natal chart, then the sign placed 10 places from your 12th house will be treated as Upapada Lagan. So suppose Venus is placed here, then move from this house 10th place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 9th house will be your Upapada Lagan. So if the 12th house, if the lord of the 12th house is sitting in the 12th house, as I mentioned, this is the first exception. In that case, the sign placed 10 places from the 12th house will be treated as your Upapada Lagan. Please note down these things. So in that case, your Upapada Lagan will be your 9th house. Will reach the 9th house where Aquarius sign is placed. So you will make a new chart, that will be your Upavad Lagan, and you just place this 9th house number is here, 11, 12, 1, 2, like this way. So Aquarius will be your, as per this chart, I am Aquarius, I am focusing on Aquarius because as per the Gemini, ascendant Aquarius comes out. So Aquarius sign will be treated as Upavad Lagan, 9th house will be treated as your Upavad Lagan. Please note down these things. Now what is the exception point is second number exception point. If the Lord of 12th house is placed in the right opposite to its 6th house, what does it mean? If the Lord of 12th house is placed in this house, suppose same example, number 3, number 2 is here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So again, what I have mentioned, that this just corresponding right opposite to the 6th house from the 12th sign, then in that case we count 10th places from the 6th house to determine our Upavad Lagan. So if Venus is placed here, means 12th to Lord is Taurus, Venus, so Venus is placed. So what, there is an exception, you have to apply exception in this house as well as in this house. So moving 10th place ahead, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is your Leo Upavad Lagna you will have. So you just mention here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. And the planet sitting in the D1 chart, same way, same numbers, just place in this chart. So this is your exceptional point of view. In that case you will get your Upavad Lagan. In the next video, we will discuss about how to analyze the Upavad chart. Whatever Upavad chart you have obtained from your D1 chart, how that chart will identify the status of the family, career of the family, background of the family, how much stability, whether the marriage sustained or not. Please note down, if you need any free consultation, then you have the comment box, as well as you can share your chart Vimshotri Dasha and once question on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, but you need to wait for 60 days for your turns to come because it entirely depends on the Q's section. As well as we do not call anybody, all the appointment is based either download app or by our website or by the method given in the description box. So please do not share your mobile number, email address in the comment box, and be polite, be disciplined. There can be mistakes from our end. Just for point us that you did some mistakes, we will rectify it. In that case, if there is eventually unknowingly mistakes by us. So this is all about the Upavad Lagan. You just note down the exception will be applied on your 12th house or the 6th house. And if you have your Upavad Lagan, it is an excellent technique if you are not familiar with the Parashari method. This is a Gemini astrology. So every single detail, I am focusing on every single detail of the spouse can be obtained by having Upavad Lagan in front of you. So that's all for the day. Thank you so much. Jai Shanidev.